Hey friends, it's Natalia and welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, we are decorating the outside of our home for Christmas. Join us as we put on our Clark Griswold hat and light up our house with all the pretty Christmas lights. So happy with the way it came out and I can't wait for you to see it. Okay friends, I'm going to start with my front porch. I did bounce back and forth between different areas because this was a project. You know, it takes a few days, so many different outfits you'll see me wear here. But I wanted to show you kind of in this order with the front porch because that is the first impression family and friends have when they come into your home. So I put on my rug here, the gingerbread house rug I got last year from Kirkland's, and then I love putting this wreath up and also garland around the outside of my door. These are all from Walmart. They have amazing prices, guys. If you saw my shop with me, you saw all of the wonderful things that Walmart has at such a great price. And that includes these little Christmas trees. I usually put them next to my door, like right next to the door. This year I wanted to put them more out to the front so they kind of stand out a little better. These are great. They come pre-lit. And then I'm also putting these bows from Dollar Tree right outside of my front door where these light fixtures are. I have these light fixtures on the outside of my home. There's two up here in the front, there's one in the balcony and one in the back by the garage. So I did add the red bows to all of them to create, a nice cohesive look. And, for only $1.25, why not? And here I'm placing the garland up. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Natalia. I am a wife and a mom. I have 3 boys. We live in South Florida, and these are my favorite Christmas videos to make every year. And I also wanted to show you here how I use these hooks. These are new. I will link them in the description box. I have stucco concrete out here, and so a lot of the clips that I tried using would not hold up. Because it is South Florida, it's super hot, and it's just the tape would just not hold up. It would kind of melt. So these hooks were amazing. You just tap them in with a hammer, and then I put my icicle lights up, and I'm so happy that I was able to use those this year. Next here we are moving on to the inflatables. This is an easy way to start also if you want to create like a big impact. Our neighbors knew once the inflatables are up, they know that we're up and decorating, and it was a lot of fun. Every time we come out here to decorate, we would kind of get delayed in a good way because we would have our neighbors come out and just, we would talk and stuff, and our kids would come out and play. And so it was a lot of fun. It's a great way to kind of connect with your neighbors and your community. We used some cable ties to put up these wreaths on our shutters by the windows. And these are just really inexpensive wreaths that we got at Walmart a few years back with the red bows from Dollar Tree. And I add some twinkly lights that I have on hand. And I always like to make fun of my husband when he's putting these up because they're a pain to put up, but we get it done. So here we're using just a regular strand of Christmas lights for the bushes back here. Just putting them up in a zigzag pattern, keeping it nice and simple. We have a smart plug that we use for all of these lights outside. And I wanted to show you these dual color super twinkle net lights. These are new this year. I got them at Big Lots, and they are the same kind of lights that we got for our palm trees last year. These you'll see them here later on, these blue and white twinkly lights. And so this was the same concept, but they were just net lights, and I absolutely love them because it really does look like they are sparkling, and it was perfect to put up here on these bushes up front. And of course, we're adding these candy canes. These were from Home Depot last year. They're 4 feet tall. I believe they have smaller versions this year at Home Depot. And again, here are these stakes from Big Lots. Big Lots, guys, has a lot of cool different like kind of lights for Christmas. I do love my Walmart lights, but when it comes to like different kinds, like, you know, things that you don't see in other places, Big Lots has it, and I think they're amazing. So here are the blue lights that I was talking about. This year we went up a little higher, and here, this is a family affair, guys. Our kids are out here helping and playing and just having fun, enjoying all of the pretty lights. We borrowed our neighbor's ladder to get up really high. We put 3 sets of these lights on each of the palm trees to just kind of create a really, you know, big statement. We have 3 palm trees on the side of our house, so it's perfect for that. And regular string lights here on these bushes. And, you know, the weather was just kind of all over the place. Here you see us wearing sweaters. You know, there's one day it's like I'm sweating my butt off out here, you know, putting up lights, and other days I'm, you know, chilly and putting on a sweater. That's just South Florida weather for you. Let me know where you guys live. You know, is this something that you guys do, put lights on outside? Is it too cold for you? And if you do it, like, how does it work with snow? I'm curious to know about that. So yeah, let me know where you live, you know, what area of the world that you're in. I think it'll be really fun to see all of everyone's responses. And here I wanted to do something different. I have this Merry Christmas sign, like these lights. I got these a few years back at Walmart, but I didn't use them for the past 2 years. But then I thought of a new way to put them up, and it was here between these 2 palm trees. I used a drill to kind of get a screw into each of the trees to hold it up. And I thought it was a pretty way, you know, everybody kind of drives through here. It is a corner lot, so everybody drives through. So a little Christmas greeting for everyone. And then these new lights here from Walmart, these globe lights. And then I got these inflatable ornaments at Dollar Tree in the plus section, but unfortunately one of them was, you know, had a hole in it, so I wasn't able to put them up. But, you know, I'm just adding white lights here. I put white lights also in the back by our garage, the icicle kind. And then on a tree in the corner, I use the same globe lights above for the corner tree. And also new this year is this Darth Vader inflatable. We had one a couple years back, but it broke. The motor stopped working. So we found this one at Walmart, and we thought it'd be perfect because it goes with, you know, our little Star Wars theme with Yoda also. And then these are garden stakes that we used last year. We hung them up last year, but this year we put them in the ground, and these are from Big Lots. And then we got Minnie Mouse this year to go with Mickey. And so they're at the side of the house. They're greeting everybody.
Christmas, everybody.
Hey, my friends, Merry Christmas to you and your family. This is my outdoor Christmas reveal. I hope that you love it. Here is the daytime look, and then will be the nighttime look. Alright my friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for your home. I had such a fun time putting this together. I really appreciate you stopping by and watching my videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!